Morning guys. We're not quite at the nature reserve, but I had to pull over because the sun's coming up and it is just absolutely beautiful. All right, look at this. How can you see something like that and just not be happy? Right, we're literally 2 minutes from a nature reserve, so I wanna get in and get round and see what we got. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right. What a beautiful morning. So I came here the other day, and my car. I came in the afternoon, and the car park was absolutely rammed. Look, it's bang on 7 o'clock now, and there's not a soul in sight. So let's see what we see while we're here. I can see it. There's a storm flush up there. It's amazing. You can just hear it. Such a beautiful morning. Literally all I can hear is the birds singing away. But I did a video probably about a month ago now. Well, I went out in the afternoon and I think it was maybe the second or third time that I'd gone out in the afternoon. And I'd said, I don't really do it too often, and I'm not really sure why, but I'm back at Fowlmere today, and I came down here the other day in the afternoon, and to be fair, it was half term and it was the first sunny day that we'd had in the best part of 4 months. And it was just rammed. There were so many people, and I was just, obviously with what I do and talking and doing all the video work as well, wasn't ideal, which kind of answers my own question of why I don't get out that much in the afternoons. As you saw this morning from the car park, it was just dead. My car was the only one there, so. But yeah, we'll carry on round, and we're just going to get round to the reed bed hide, and we're just going to sit there and just see if we get lucky with any Marsh Harriers or anything. So cool. These reed beds are amazing in spring and the warmer months because you get all the warblers in here. It is. Got these gloves. All right, where I can take my fingers off. Can't feel my fingertips. Need to put them back in. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So it's been nearly a month since my last video, right? And it's just, I always tend to go out every weekend, but I think after my last video, there was a couple of weekends which were just atrocious. And I mean, there was one weekend which I planned to go out because it looked sunny. And then that weekend came and it was like 40-mile-an-hour gusts. And then, as I alluded to earlier, I did come down here last weekend, or maybe the weekend before. So two things happened, right? I had the full car park with 101 people here, and I've just bought a new memory card for my camera, and it's the CF Express card, so it's really fast in comparison to the normal cards. And I don't know how I got home and I was playing around because it imports slightly different, and I managed to delete half of my pictures. So what I was hoping to get a small video out, I ended up not putting anything out. So I'll probably throw some of the photos up. I've still got some of the photos, so you'll probably see some of those photos come up into this video, because there was some cool photos of there was a blue tit which was on the top of a reed eating the seeds, which was really cool. There's another song thrush up there. Hoping you can hear it. There's a reason they call them the song thrush, right? But yeah, so we'll carry on round and we'll get round to this hide. We'll sit up there. I've got my flask of coffee, so I'll be able to warm up, and we'll sit here for a couple of hours and then take a walk around the rest of the nature reserve, see what we see on our way around it. But yeah, cool. Hey mate. Robin right there. They really are fearless. But yeah. You singing? Just can't help it. Just puts a smile on your face. I think that's a Marsh Harrier. I'm not entirely sure. Crow's coming in again. Right, let's get up. Yep. I'm positive that's the oh my god, that's the marsh. Could not have timed that any better. Literally just turn up. I right into the hide, open up the window, and it's just gone and landed in a bush over there. It's still sat there. couple of geese down there. Oh, I'll see if I can get some photos of this guy. Right, so we've just opened up the rest of the hide so I don't miss a trick. What is that? It's a heron. I'm still recording this. The Marsh Harrier. I want to capture it as it takes off. But this is literally a heron down there. But no, we've just done coffee, so let's see if we've got washing up liquid or not. Tastes like coffee. But yeah, now what we've got, you can probably see what my camera's, and I've got my gimbal out, and this is like a ground skimmer pod, and there's companies online that sell them for like 60, 70 quid, quite expensive, but this is just a 3D printed one off of Etsy, and it's the first time I've actually used it in a hide, but absolutely amazing. Solid as a rock, fits in my backpack, and like now I've got it all set up, I've just got it recording, and job done, right? That heron's looking at me, nose on me. Did I bring my... I must have taken my binoculars out. But yeah, we're gonna go and enjoy this coffee now, and just warm up a little bit, and we'll keep recording. Hopefully this Marsh Harrier will take off soon. But we do have a habit of sitting there for ages. But yeah, really cool. All right, yeah, this heron is playing with me. It's literally just landed right over there. But I don't want to miss. I'm still recording this Marsh Harrier. I don't want to miss it. But that'd be an awesome photo. Look, he's just down there. I've only got one camera, right? But yeah. Yeah, so that's really cool. Just come out of a hide. Oh, that sun's really bright now. But yeah, I think there's a buzzard which flew by as well, and some kites. had to stop recording in the home because about 4 or 5 people turned up. So we were just chatting away. And that Marsh Harrier must have been sat in the bush on its perch for about a good 30 minutes. Because I was recording on the camera because I wanted to try and get the slow-mo. And it's like, when I started, my battery was at 100%. And when it eventually flew off, my battery was down to like 22. So I've had to change batteries now. But absolutely amazing and totally worth coming out for, right? What a fantastic weekend. But we're going to carry on now and we're going to walk round a long way back and head back to a car. So we might see something on the way around, but we'll see how it goes.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, so
So we've just got back to the car now. What a fantastic day. Absolute, just a reset button that I needed. Obviously the Marsh Harrier was fantastic. Hopefully, I'm hoping the videos turned out okay. Saw the buzzard, a couple of kites as well. And then obviously the little birds as we go round and the little deer. So no, it looks like Fowlmere is going to have another amazing year considering the Marsh Harriers are back. And it's such a wonderful site as well. It's probably, do you know what? With all of the sites that I've visited, it's probably up there in my top 5. It's just an amazing location, which I recommend anyone check out. So, but no, look, as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. We've got some really cool stuff coming up at the end of March where I'm going to another hide. And I'm going to go and try and find another first. I'm going to try and tick dippers off on my list, so that's going to be really cool. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up as per normal, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It means more than you know. But yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and the week ahead. But as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you soon. Bye bye.
sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with